Welcome back to a beautiful day, everyone. And as I do all my bike reveals here, bam, there you go. So from the title, you probably already saw, it's a new bike reveal. What did I get? I got this, the 701 Supermoto. You've seen it before on my channel. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Whew, getting old. Seen it on my channel before because of the Husqvarna ride out. And this guy came up for sale, actually from a fellow who ended up buying this bike because of some of my videos along with some other YouTubers. And he said it looks like a blast, so he bought it. Didn't ride it too much because he had kids, and he's got a very cool Porsche that he drives as well. So he's like, yeah, I just didn't ride it, so bought it off him. It's got 1,600 kilometers or 1,000 miles. It's barely broken in. It looks brand new. It is brand new. I already did some mods to it. Got my KTM OEM front LEDs that go for the bike. Took off all the stickers, of course, the frame stuff. He put on a RNG tail tidy, which is awesome because I would have put that on there anyway. I love that brand. Exhaust is hopefully coming for it. But yeah, gonna figure out the mirrors. That's a whole different situation. This has the 2017 seat. The problem, the stickers come off. So I might try and get an 18 seat for it from my good friends over at CycleWorks. They hooked me up. So, and then she needs an oil change and a coolant change. And I spent 4 or 5 hours cleaning her up last night before I did this video, so it looks perfect. Chain clean. Long story short, let's just snap some pics for the gram, and then we'll go for a ride. I'm with my friend. She's got a very manly FT07. I called it a chick bike once and she hasn't let me she hasn't let it go since. So it's not a chick bike, it's a very manly bike. I did not assume your bike's gender. My bad. So this is how the gram is made. Part of fun of riding is riding to go take pictures of your bike. That's all I do. So why the 701 versus an R1 or GS? I mean, I want all of them, but can't really travel right now into the States, so the GS didn't make sense. I've loved this style of bike. It's so fun. It's just so fun. I have a bunch of friends in town with Supermotos, so they are stoked that I got this guy. I mean, I'll be happy with 4 bikes. And yeah, so I'm going to grab 1 or 2 more photos and we'll be on the bike. One sec. Before we get into the video, a huge shout out to my video sponsor, SysApp. They create a simple 2-wire GPS tracker, which I've installed into my new 701 Husqvarna Supermoto. This wonderful device measures your lean angle, your speed, it tracks your routes, it tells you if someone's playing with your bike, if you're in parking mode, it knows everything about your bike. It's fantastic, so easy to install. With the SysApp app, you can see here I found my bike in a parking lot. You can even use directions to it. And the device has an internal battery for up to 3 hours. So if it's disconnected from its power source, you still can find your bike. What's also nice is if you use accessory power versus having it right onto the battery, you'll also be able to continue tracking it for up to 3 hours. So do me a favor, support the channel, support SysApp. Link is in the bio to find out more about this device, and you should get it on your bike. What is your gaming handle?
Epic Dual Dog.
Epic Dual Dog. Sounds like erectile dysfunction, EDD. What's up, ED? Oh, your bike is dirty. Movement. Can you actually hear the bike or no? It sounds so quiet. Okay, so if I do this, like through my exhaust, through my headset, or through your ears? I need to get an exhaust quickly. Ooh, little tractor mode there. It's a big bike though, hey? Like do I feel tall? Yeah. Well, it's a good weekend. What a good weekend. I should switch to my other boots though, because I haven't put my foot down for doing the motard style, where I don't do the knee down, I put my foot out, but I don't want to get these boots destroyed like my other boots. That's the thing, this thing is it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's no slouch either, you know? Which makes it really fun. We have to go down to that bridge and turn left, I think. or we can go through downtown, but I kind of want to do Memorial because I like Memorial. At that one road, go left at the other road, and then left at that road. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down or desert you. So yeah, she needs an exhaust. This thing is so quiet. Sounds like a sewing machine. I need that Brap Nation. Small details though. Mirrors, exhaust. I've already got the caps coming. I have to flash a relay, just need LEDs because the other bulbs took too much power, so it didn't work. Ooh, my bum just slipped a little bit on the sidewalk there. Oh yeah, it has a Supermoto dongle, so the back tire's allowed to skip and slip and stuff. And for a 74 horsepower bike up here at 3,000 feet sea levels, which is like, you lose like 18%, this thing moves. Okay, so white line race or what? Whoa, man, what the? No! That's getting deleted. That's never going ever on the internet ever. I'm used to the Super Duke to save my buns after I snooze, and now I'm down 120 HPs. I'll redeem myself right here. There, no! That's twice now. That's embarrassing. Lost to a girl on a girl bike. Man, don't get lost in the swag, my guy. Look at this guy just chilling. Oh, backwards hat, got the tunes going, got the high tops. Man, this bike ain't cutting it right now. There's too much swag over there. Nice. Oh, doesn't count. You had momentous. When are you gonna fix that tail tidy? Gross. There we go. Cops right there. Nice. Ladies! Oops. Oh, they're everywhere, these cops. Well, they might also do the stupid bike checks because bikes come out with no insurance and they go after bikes. And so it's like very common in the first little bit. Oh yeah, he did have it like fucking just reefed. There we go. Not bad. Oh, that's way better. I like that. I'm not gonna relearn the clutch point now though, from what I've been learning. Oh my god. They're showing off their lights. Oh, can I please put my bike in front of them and get a picture? Oh yeah, I'd love to roll right in between there and get a photo. That'd be sick. Sir, can you get your bike off the pedestrian path? Stop resisting! Stop resisting! It's like, what? So how'd you end up in jail, snowcat, with your bike on the first day? Well, let me tell you, I want to get a photo I wanted to stunt for the gram. Ooh, tractor mode. That single cylinder life. Just a happy guy. Well, I am with this fucking thing. Look at it. I mean, come on, Marin. I'm a happy guy with this. Look at it. My seat is your fucking tank. Hopefully, one of my wonderful subscribers who owns this bike will tell me how many miles or kilometers they get on the tank. Because that would be some nice information to bestow on me. Like real rider information, not from some Google that I don't trust. One of my subs I will trust better, I think. What's going on here? You go. My guy. There we go. Wow, we're great navigators of our own damn city. We're awesome. Like what more speed do I need than that? I left you in the dust. So yeah, let's wind up this video. Brand new bike reveal. It's spring. It's gonna snow again this week, so gonna be tough to get some content out with the snow, but we're back. You know, new bike, new year, new me, new everything. It's fantastic. It's a great day. It looks nice and sunny, but it is a little chilly. I'm not gonna lie, like, I'm a little bit cold right now, and I've even got like all my warm stuff on, so. Oh, guys, it is good to be back. Anyways, that's it for this video. Peace.